Here at Mount Marty, because we're a small enough campus, every single thing you do is hands-on. Your professors will not let you sit on the sidelines with anything. Being a science major, I'm in labs pretty much every Tuesday and Thursday for the whole time. And what's great about that is coming in as a freshman, I was required to do my own labs.
I'm not one to sit in a classroom and just learn about stuff. I've never been good at that. So right away in your freshman year, especially in education, you're already doing stuff in schools. And that was great because then it gave me something to actually hold on to when I start my student teaching, which is coming up next fall. So the great part about it is you're constantly in schools in the education program. There's no point where you don't have some sort of experience, to grab onto and to actually understand what's happening, even if it is a theory class or something like that.
So here at Mount Marty, we actually have a brand new simulation lab in Nursing Hall, which was sponsored by Avera. We have brand new state-of-the-art simulation equipment and mannequins which can breathe, have a heartbeat, you can listen to their lung sounds, they can give birth, and we can perform real procedures and equipment on them in a safe, controlled environment before stepping foot into the real clinical setting. So here at Mount Marty University, we have a program called the Bryn, which stands for Biomedical Research Infrastructure Network. And what Bryn is, it's a research opportunity that takes place during the summer, and it's paid, in which they're gonna place you with a professor of your choice. And it's really good experience to obtain hands-on research experience, to gain knowledge in another field, to add something nice to your resume for the summer, and also make a little money while you're at it.